The next step is to resize your video clip. Why do you need to resize? You're working on Reel, and the Reel have specific resolution or size according to the platform that you're uploading them to, right? So the platform requests 9:16, which means it's going to be in form of portrait. This particular size is 16:9, which is a landscape form, but for Reels, it has to be portrait. How do you frame or size your video clip to that? Let's do that now. On the player layer of your software, locate the tab called ratio. As you can see, you locate the tab called ratio and click on it to bring out the options of sizes that you have. So these are the options of sizes that we have. Currently, our video is 16:9. I can see by default it's on original. So this is the original size. As recorded by you, this is the setting you have picked. Now you can change your size by clicking on customize so that you will input the size you want to use. The size of my video currently is 1920 by 1080. For me to make it acceptable by Facebook, I need to make it 1080 by 1920. So that way it becomes portrait. Alright, so I can either click on customize to input that, or since this is 16:9, there is the option of 9:16 there. So I can simply click on 9:16 because this is full HD. Simply click on 9:16 and it will make the video clip portrait. Now I'm selecting 9:16. See, now the size of the video has become 9:16. But as you can notice, the clip is smaller than the size. So this is where you need to resize the clip by expanding or adjusting it to cover the surface of your current resolution. How do you do that? Just on the next layer beside the player, you will see the basic tools, which includes position, size, scaling, rotating. What we need is scale now. We need to scale up this clip and maybe also change the position if necessary. So scale your video clip. Since the video clip is selected, as you can see with this frame, simply scale it until it covers the current space. Endeavor to leave some headroom. Right, so scale properly. You can move the position. I need it to move to the right a little bit. So just locate your position. You can move your clip towards the X or Y axis. Alright, so to move it towards the Y axis, you can use the arrow key, but I want to make it faster. I'm just going to do 200 instead. See, it moves to the right hand side. I'm okay with that. If you want to move it up or down, you can also use the Y axis. Let's make it 10 so that it moves up a little bit. Alright, so I still want to move it up. I'll make it 20. Right, and that is okay. So now we have a perfect size for our reel.